Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to join brick wall easy guide. Mix mortar to a peanut butter consistency, butter the bricks, and stagger joints by half a brick for strength. Use a level and mason's line to keep courses straight, remove excess mortar promptly, and strike joints for a clean finish. Work in small sections so mortar stays workable, and always wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Gather tools like a trowel, jointer, mason's line, level, and a bucket for mixing. Measure the wall length and height to calculate bricks and mortar needed, factoring a small waste percentage. Set up a flat workspace, mix small batches so mortar stays workable, and keep water and a stiff brush nearby for cleanup and wiping joints. These prep steps save time quickly and prevent common mistakes on the first day. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, perfect for keeping dust and mortar crumbs away while you work. I use it between shifts to save sweeping time and keep tools tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by laying a full bed of mortar, press the first brick firmly, and carefully tap with the handle to set it. Butter the head of the next brick, push into place, and maintain a 1 cm joint or preferred gap. Use the mason's line to check alignment, level every third brick, and remove excess mortar as you go. Let the mortar cure slightly before striking joints for a neat, weatherproof finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.